What is an open access database? A database that provides a free and unrestricted access to the scholarly content. Open access is primarily intended to provide free academic and research content to everyone. Which of the following is a key feature of open access database? There is no paywalls, content is freely accessible online. Open access database mostly support which type of licensing? That is Creative Commons. Which of the following is not an open access initiative? Scopus. Open access resources help libraries by reducing cost and expanding access to the knowledge, which is a major benefit of open access database for researcher. Immediately and free access of the scholarly publication. Librarians promote open access to enhance visibility of institutional research. Open access journals often follow which peer review model? Same as traditional journals, single or double blind peer review. Which library function is best supported by open access database, reference and academic research service? Which of the following is an open access journal directory? DOAJ. Which database provide open access to scientific reprints? Archive. Which repository provides open access thesis in India? Sodh Ganga. Which platform provides free access to academic books? Directory of open access books. Which database offers open access working paper in economics? RAPEC. Research papers in economics. Creative Commons license allows author to control how authors can use their open access content. Which Creative Commons license allows maximum rules reuse by with attribution? CC BY. Which organization support open access globally? SPARC, that is Scholarly Publishing and Academic Resource Coalition. Which model supports authors paying for article processing charge? That is Gold Open Access. Green Open Access refers to self-archiving of pre or post prints in repository. Which open access database allows penetrator searching across repository? That is Page. Billfield Academic Search Engine. Which of the following is an open access index of institutional repository? Open Door, that is directory of open access repository. NDLI includes a wide range of open educational resources including ebooks, audio and video. Which file formats are most common in open access database? That is .pdf, HTML and EPUB. Open access discovery is often facilitated through search engine like Bayes, Core and OAI STR. One major misconception about open access is that it compromises quality of research. Predatory publishing is a challenge in open access journals without proper peer review. To avoid predatory journals, researchers should check indexing and editorial board and peer review policy. Which of these is not a challenge in open access publishing? That is peer review itself. Which initiative promotes open access policy in Indian University? That is UGC's mandate on Sodh Ganga and IR development. Which Indian platform aggregates open access scholarly materials? eSodh Sindhu. Which open access legal research is supported in India? Indian Kanun. Which is an open access policy by UNESCO? UNESCO recommendation on open science. Which field is increasingly adopting open access database? That is biomedical and social science. In libraries, open access supports collection, development, and equitable information access. Core provides access to millions of open access full text research output. Which portal enables open access to India's culture heritage? India Culture. OAISTERE Union Catalog of Open Access Digital Resources. Open access movement started gaining global attention in early 2000s. The FAIR principle in open access stands for findable, accessible, interoperable, and the reusable. An institutional repository is typically managed by the university or research institute. The software widely used to build institutional repository is DSpace. Which Indian IR hosts institutional research content in Gujarat? That is IR at the implement. Self-archiving in open access typically means authors uploading their papers in open repository. What is the major difference between an IR and a commercial publisher database? IRs are freely accessible and managed by the institution and not the company. Which of the following is not a standard criteria for evaluating open access journals? There is number of memes posted. Which indexing service includes peer review open access journals? Scopus. Which global repository harvests metadata using OAIPMH? OAI STAR. The purpose of metadata harvesting is to enable unified search across multiple repositories, which open access initiative supports interoperability between platforms. Open Archive initiative. Which of these models allows free access but charges author? Goal open access with APC, article processing charges. Which country mandates open access to publicly funded research? United Kingdom, UK, RI, and Wellcome Trust. Diamond open access means neither authors nor readers pay. It's fully funded by the institution or grants. Which Indian council supports open access through IR funding? ICSSR, that is Indian Council of Social Science Research. Open access journals hosted by university libraries are called library based OA publishing. Which of the following is a goal of the open access movement? Democratize access to scholarly information. Preprints in open access are early version of research article before peer review. Which of the following is a benefit of a preprint sharing? Fast dissemination and early feedback on research. Which is a major concern with preprint? Lack of peer review and validation. Open access helps bridge the gap between developed and developing countries in terms of the research access. Which metadata standard is commonly used in open access repository, that is Dublink or metadata standard? Which metadata protocol allows open access repository to be harvested by service like OAISTR and BASE OAIPMH, that is Open Archive Initiative Protocol for Metadata Harvesting. The main function of metadata in open access database is to describe, identify, and facilitate discovery of the resources. Interoperability in open access system means system can work together using common protocols and standard. Which software supports OAI compliant metadata action? D space. Base Build academic search engine aggregates metadata from open access repositories worldwide. Core primarily provides access to millions of full text open access research papers. Which open access tool supports repository integration with search engines, that is OpenAI? Google Scholar can link to open access content if it's deposited in institutional or subject repository. Which initiative promotes the discoverability of open access content via LinkedIn data? LA Reprinia. The Budapest Open Access Initiative was launched in 2002. Which statement is considered a milestone in open access policy advocacy? Berlin Declaration and Open Access 2003. The UNESCO recommendation on open science was adopted in 2021. Which global funding body strongly supports open access publishing, that is Wellcome Trust? The UGC CAD list is associated with the promoting credible journals, including open access publication in India. One of the upcoming trends in open access is Plan S, requiring immediately open access for funded research. Data repository in open access are focused on sharing dataset for reuse and reproducibility. The term diamond open access implies no charge for authors or readers, free publishing and access. Which of the following is an ethical principle in open access? Transparency in peer review and publishing process. Open access supports which at the following UN Sustainability Development Goals, that is quality education and reduce inequality. Thank you.